Hello everyone, I am Kunka Bhimalingappa, pursuing PhD in Sri Krishna Devaraya University under the guidance of Dr. M. Nagendra Garu in the domain of networking and subdomain congestion control. Now, I heartily welcome Dr. B. Satyanarayana Garu, Professor, Head and BOS Chairman, N. Geetanjali Garu, Professor T. Bhaskar Reddy Garu, Professor and Guide M. Nagendra Garu, Dr. V. Raghunatha Reddy Garu, Dr. J. Kejiyarani Garu, and Dr. P. Devaraj Garu. These are the contents. What is my domain? What is subdomain? What is my research topic? Justification of the title, existing system, proposed system, methodology, network simulator, its installation and simulation, and finally the results and conclusion. Coming to the domain is networking. So what do you mean by networking? Networking is not about just connecting people. It is about connecting people with people with ideas and people with opportunities. Coming to the subdomain is congestion control. So what do you want to say that is the congestion? Congestion in the network occurs when network bears more load than its capacity. It is going to occur when there is a difference in speed of data transmission rate of in and output, that is outflows. That is, if the receiving or incoming or inflow rate is more than the sending or outgoing rate, then the congestion results. Here is an example which illustrates more about that is congestion. Here there are 30 nodes labeled 1 through 30, and there are 4 senders labeled S1 through S4, and there are 4 receivers labeled R1 through R4. Here S1 is sending data to R1 in blue color, whereas S2 is sending data to R2 in dash line blue color. The sender S3 is transmitting data to node R8 in the red color, and the sender S4 is transmitting data to, that is node 22 in green color with dashed line. Here S1, S2, S3, S4 are only sending the data, whereas R1, R2, R3 and R4, they are only receiving the data. If I take okay some other nodes, here node 2 is okay receiving as well as that is okay sending. Whereas if I take other nodes like say 3, there are 3 inflows and okay 3 outflows okay at the node 3. And if I take the okay node 25, it has okay 2 inflows and okay 2 outflows. So if I take this okay node 3, 4 data transmissions are okay intersecting okay at this node. It has 4 inflows and okay 4 okay outflows. Node 3 is having 3 inflows and 3 outflows, whereas node 4 is having okay 4 inflows and okay 4 outflows. So if the sum of the incoming rates at this node is okay more than the sum of the outgoing roads okay at this node, then the congestion is going to occur okay at this node. Coming to okay my research topic, this is okay my research topic, that is reduction of congestion in disaster scenario by reducing communication demand without okay directly restricting the okay call duration.